My name is Amal, world traveler. My name is I've performed poetry in 8 of those countries. My name is writer. But at the airport, my name is random search. And on the street, it's terrorist, raghead, oppress. On the news, it's ISIS, suspect. My name is could your Muslim neighbor be an extremist? How would someone know this without asking? The malleability of a person's story must be self-determined, coming from the lips of the storyteller, not the anchorman, not the megaphone, not even the scarf on her head or the melanin in his skin, because no one can speak the names of billions in one breath unless it's in prayer. And when we don't ask someone their name, we're not asking for their story. We tend to paint a group of people with a broad brush until suddenly everyone with a hijab on is a raghead that needs liberating. Or everyone with white skin is a racist cracker. Or everyone with black skin is a fatherless nigger. Or everybody who looks like my father is gonna blow up the airplane. Or if the killer had a light complexion, he's just a mentally fragile lone wolf. And we come to this point where we feel like we don't even need to ask people their names because we already gave it to them.